Hi guys, it's Beth Painter. I'm back again with another video using the Painter's palette, showing you how to use the neutrals because we worked really hard on perfecting the formula, the undertones and everything, because they're just as important in this palette as the bright colours. So this palette is absolutely perfect for any look you could ever want. You've got all your colours, you've got grey, warms, burgundies, white, black, gold, silver, everything you could ever want for going out, festivals, work. You can use this palette for anything, so I just really want to show you how versatile it is. So the first product I'm going to go in with is the Sample Beauty Erase and Boost Base, and this is in the shade 8, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyelids. This product's really good because it's really tacky, so your eyeshadow will just stick to it straight away and really stay. So I'm going to go in with the shade Truffle, and this is a lovely warm terracotta brown. And I'm just going to apply this into my crease, and I'm just going straight in with a fluffy brush because this is more of a daytime glam. I don't want it to be too concentrated in the pigment, so I'm just buffing this really softly through my crease. So now I'm going in with the shade Spud, and I'm going to use this to blend out Truffle. I'm just going slightly on the edge and a bit off the edge of Truffle as well, just to really make it nice and soft. Don't want this to be too dramatic. I always do a blown out look on my eye because I feel like it just suits my face better, but obviously you can make it more rounded however it suits your face best. I'm just going back into Truffle again just to make sure I've not lost any of that colour in my crease. You still want it to be there. So I'm going in with Spud again, and I'm going to pat this along the lid. And then again back in with Truffle just to make sure everything's nice and blended. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Insta, and I'm going to apply this to my lash line and slightly drag it out just to create a soft liner, because I don't want a full liner because it might look a bit harsh with this look. So looking at the look now, I just think I don't want to add lashes to it because I just love it as it is. So instead I'm just going to move on to my under eye, and I'm going to go in with the shade Spud again. And we're going to apply this right along the bottom. So we're going quite light underneath as well. And then a little bit more of Truffle, and this is just mainly going on the outer corner. So guys, this is the finished look, just really neutral, simple but effective. It's perfect for going out, going to work, brunch, drinks, whatever you want to do. Just shows really how versatile this palette is, and it's perfect for every occasion. I hope you've enjoyed watching. You can buy this palette from Sample Beauty or Beauty Bay's website, and the link's in the description. Thanks for watching. Get your hands on it.
Yeah.
Buy it!